Hello friends, myself Alok Kumar, personality development, communication and soft skill development, hospitality management, career counseling coach. Okay, so today topic is very important topic. Okay, this will work in everyone life. Okay, if you follow, so the 4 digit from alphabets I am going to tell you. Okay, and if you follow this 4 digit, trust me, uh, your life will be changed, your routine will be changed, your personality will be changed, your skills will be changed, and you will be change yourself, right? So everyone life has a certain goal, okay, certain purpose, okay. So in Hindi we called laksh, okay. Every people has a certain laksh, certain goals, okay. So let's your laksh converted into aksh, okay. So that 4 digit aksh is your A from alphabets, okay. Next is K, okay, and S and H. So just remember this 4 word and start working on that. So now I am telling you the concept of A. So A means your attitude, okay, the power of your attitude. Attitude is one of the most important skills, okay, in any kind of things, anywhere, okay. So if you keep your attitude positive, okay, you will always success, okay. You will never ever, okay, defeated by anyone, okay. Your attitude matter, okay, and you will be very popular, okay. Your personality will be developed if you maintain your positivity attitude, okay. Now next one is knowledge. Again, very important things. Knowledge is very important, okay, for everyone, okay. If you have knowledge, you will be always success. Nobody can stop you, okay. And always try to gather knowledge. Always try to increase your knowledge through books or through your routine life or where you walk, okay. You keep depth knowledge in your areas where you are working to get more success, to get more promotions, right? So these 2 words A and K. Now next is S, skill. Yes, every people works, they have a certain skill through which they work, okay. So always try to maximize your skill in different areas also except your areas. So skill is very important, okay. Without skill you can never survive, okay. So try to always maximize your skill, try to develop new skill, okay. And the last one is habit, that is H. Always keep habit in yourself, never ever break your habit, okay. If you maintain your habit, you will be consistently, okay, develop your personality, okay. You will continuously develop your skill and you will be always success in your life, okay. So thus 4, remember this word, okay, aksh, A, K and S, H. Fine, okay. So please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos in personality development, communication and soft skill. Thank you.